Confused about the stock market? Look at this video. Investing in the stock market is not only for professionals, stockbrokers, or those with finance and business degrees. Anyone armed with the right information can be successful with investments. Watch this video for more tips on how to play the stock market and make the most money possible. Utilize an intelligent, long-term plan to help you make as much money as you possibly can from the stock market. Be realistic when investing. Plan to keep your stocks as long as it takes for them to be profitable. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Don't let greed or impatience control your decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is a common tip because it makes sense to buy a stock when there's a higher chance that it will rise in price, even if you have to wait for a while. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. Don't let your emotions play a part in your investments. Remember that this is a business and you're in this to make money. You can't let yourself make bad decisions that are solely based on your emotions. Learn to separate your emotions from your decision making so that you can have a clear mind. You should always be wary of investing with companies or people that offer returns that are too good to be true. Some of these investments may be particularly appealing because they have an exotic or limited nature. However, in many cases, they are scams. You could end up losing your entire investment, or even worse, find yourself in legal trouble. Investments with the stock market depend on several factors including past trends, reputation, and purchasing power. Keeping these components in mind and staying informed about the market will help you in the long run. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can start investing in the stock market and be successful at it. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.